Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make multiple, picture story or multiple video for, your stories on Instagram. Now, first and foremost, you just want to go to your story. So let's click on stories. Once you click on stories, you're going to be brought to this channel. Then you want to select this third option on the left. Once you select this third option, you can select any type of layout you want. Now we're just gonna go with a triple layout like this, or I'm not sure what kind of layout it shows. So I'm gonna put a little bit of light on this one on that side, a little bit of light on this one, and this one's gonna have a lot of light. Now once I've done this, I can now grab and hold and pop it however I want, and there you go. Once I'm done selecting, all I want to do is click on that next button, and that's gonna be it, and I'll be able to post this. Now you can also put pictures. I've taken the pictures. I don't want to go to my gallery right now, but you can obviously go to your gallery and choose the pictures you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.